All right, so let's take a look at another example. So this time we'll add 3533 base 8 this time to 276, also in base 8. So we'll go ahead and set our empty place value chart down. Since we're working in base 8, each unit is going to be 8 of the next smaller unit. So there's our empty place value chart, and we can set down the names of our units. We start with our 1s. We start with a set of 8 of these, called that an 8. We start with a set of 8 8s, and, well, it really doesn't matter what we call them. We don't actually need to know the names of those higher units, so we'll omit them. Next, we'll set down our addends, and again, this time we're going to write them down from lowest place value to highest place value. So our first addend is 3, 3, 5, and 3, again reading from lowest to highest place value. And our second addend is going to be 6, 7, and 6, again reading from lowest to highest place value. And now we can add, staying within each place. And again, for convenience, we'll go ahead and use our traditional symbols for 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on, even though, again, in base 8, these symbols do not exist, and we cannot use them in our final answer. So in this first column, we have a total of 3. In this next column, we have a total of 7. In this next column, we have a total of 10. And in this last column, we have a total of 9. Now we want to bundle sets of 8 and trade for one in the next place over. So our first set, 9, that's a bundle of 8 with 1 left over. So we'll bundle and trade 8 for 1 in the next place over, and then we'll combine these two. 10 and 1 is what we would call an 11. Again, we'll take a bundle of 8 and 3 left over. There's our 11 once again. And this bundle I can trade for 1 more in the next place over, and then I can combine these two, 7 and 1, make an 8. And again, I'll bundle a set of 8, and with 0 left over, I take my bundle of 8 and trade for 1 in the next place over, and I'll combine the 3 and the 1 to make a 4. And if I look at my number, I no longer have any 8s that I can bundle and trade, so I'm done as far as I can be, and I can now write down the answer to my original sum. That's 4, 0, 3, 1, and again, always indicate that we're working in our base.